What's up everyone, this is Chaoticsonics, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the Synthwave Bassline. The main things that make this sound is the unison, the pluck, the phaser, and Kilohearts Multipass. For the pluck, I drew this shape with step editing, and then I used smooth up. For the phaser, I have it set on custom, and I drew in this shape. I have envelopes set on the width and the offset. That gives it this texture and shape. Under shaping, the harmonic unison pitch, I drew in a shape like this. And the envelope for the unison pitch thickness, I have it set up like this. Also, the unison order set to 9. After those steps, you should be able to get a sound like this. On the effects, I'm using NSL channel from Waves to give it some saturation. The next effect is multipass. On 300 Hz, I have phase distortion. And I also have a macro on the tone, which I can automate. I also have sidechain on external. I'm sidechaining with a copy of the same plugin, but with a square, no unison, and no phaser. I also have a compressor to raise the gain and to give it more of an attack sound. The next plugin is the J37 from Waves. I'm using it for saturation and for the slap delay. And then I'm using Surfer EQ2 to boost the lows while pitch tracking. I also have a set on sidechain. A low pass and a high pass to focus the sound. And the last effect is Maximus, which I'm using for transient shaping.